Oh God. Oh no. Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Hello and welcome to a tale of two unboxings. The Anthurium Clarinervium, which one is completely awful and which one is... Well, actually, I don't know. I've already opened the awful one. First of all, happy almost Halloween. Some of us are just getting home from work and boy, do we need a drink. So cheers to you. Let's get into this unboxing. So this arrived today. I could not find my usual golden shears, so I'm using this pair of children's shears. Definitely does not look as cool, I'll tell you that. So I wanted to compare two companies, ECUAGENERA, Clarinervium, and Hill Nursery in Florida. Since I was already in deep for the shipping, so I just figured I would order a second plant, which was the Anthurium forgetii. So let's see what we have. This is like weighty. Cool. Right off the bat, like I'm here for the packaging. This looks sturdy. There is their usual, let's see, soil test here, still damp. And it's got their usual ECUAGENERA soil, which is some coconut husks. I see some perlite. I see roots. Yes, this is a good sign. So sometimes these plants will come with the roots wrapped up in sphagnum moss, and then you'll have to acclimate them and like soak them in water for like up to a week or so while they acclimate to your conditions and kind of recover from the journey. But this again came from Bonsall, California, just to LA, which is not a far journey at all. So I'm not going to worry about it. This is like a highlight of my... Well, this is lovely. This is my bonus plant. This is the Anthurium forgetii. I always thought this was like a little bit of a funnier shaped leaf. The cool thing about this forgetii is the usual rules apply for your anthuriums, except for you don't need to blast this one quite with the same amount of light. If you have your growing lights configured in such a way that some guy over here like just does not get as much light, it's okay. That's a unique thing about this guy. This looks really great. Super impressed with this. This looks about as healthy as they come. Great. Okay, this is it. This is the reason why we're filming this. I'm not going to say I got cheated out of my plant, but I got cheated out of my plant. And we did a drum roll. Oh my God, you guys. First impressions. Look at these roots. This looks about as healthy as it gets. Okay, for this, I paid that much. Shipping was that much. This is going to be really good. This already is majorly exceeding the expectation. Oh my God. You're so pretty. Wow. She's so cute. Oh man, got a little crunched here. It's really pretty though. It looks like I may have a caterpillar here. So another new leaf coming in here. Kind of the opposite. This is like small leaf energy. Such an established root system. I mean, one thing I will say about ECUAGENERA is their plants are consistently gorgeous. And if you've ever been to that nursery, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's all the beautiful plants that you've ever loved all in one place. It's like crystallinum light. So it's not going to get as like monster big as your crystallinums. I feel like this is a kind of a mature plant. I feel like I got hooked up. I'm a nobody here, but I feel like I got hooked up. So I'm not mad at this plant and its established root system. That is stunning. Here are the main things to worry about. Number one, if you start to see some crisping, which I feel like these are a little bit less prone to because they're velvety and cardboardy and like super textury. The forgetii is a little bit more delicate, but still a sturdy feeling plant. But this one is going to be a little bit less prone to crisping, which is really annoying. If you get any yellowing leaves, that is very often a overwatering problem. But you're gonna want to put it in your usual chunky aeroid mix. Potting soil is like not a good idea for her. This is bigger than I expected. I'm generally underwhelmed by what I receive in the mail. This is so stunning. So thank you, ECUAGENERA Quality Control. Bravo. Give yourselves a hand. I guess the moral of the story is also you get what you pay for, but is it too much to ask not to have a plant arrive eaten alive by pests, eaten alive by pests? When I came home and found this box waiting for me, I just had to sit and wait one more day because I still had to go to work. Someone's got to pay for these plants. And now I'm going to unbox this Clarinervium from Florida Hill Nursery. This was $12.99. So since I was in for the shipping already, I just went ahead and purchased two, and depending on how they look, I'm going to keep one or give it away to a friend. A little bit of me is like, if these plants look bad, it's my fault for having them ship these during like the hottest time of summer. Honestly, I should have just put them in a frying pan and just like sent them on over. Why am I like worried about this? Okay, it's fine. Let's just do this. Let's go. We'll just go. It's something like you're gonna love this. It appears a critter got in here and munched on these. Oh my god. That something has been in there nibbling on the merchandise. God, that's so bad. This one looks okay. Spectacular, no. I would say this is like pretty much like an epic fail. I wonder what was in here like munching away. God, this one's even worse. Oh no! Is there something currently in the box that's doing this? Or was there just no quality control? Like the F word to you, Southern California. We're just gonna send you these plants. Looks great, right? What is this, a Philodendron joepi? Well, this is kind of hilarious. So what could I do? Option A, I could send pictures and demand a refund. I could pot these up. I could cut off these terrible leaves. Like, call me the eternal optimist, but if I actually just cut off these like looking leaves and just stuck them in some nice chunky aeroid mixed soil and fertilize it, let's see, maybe it's a race. Which shitty plant will grow faster? Very underwhelmed with Florida Hill Nursery. Like, what? Okay, well, good thing I had some wine first. I actually should have had more wine, but the top one is actually okay. We don't have any of like the beautiful veiny that the Clarinervium is known for, but you know what? Shame on me. You get what you pay for. You just do. Sorry, this was very underwhelming, but you and I both need to recover a little bit because we've been traumatized by these sad little plants. I just ended up tossing them. Honestly, I didn't want to run the risk of any of the pests infecting any of my other aeroids. You guys are precious. We spend so much time and money and energy caring for these sweet babies. So I just did not want to run the risk. So you know what? It went right into the garbage, and I chalked it up as a learning experience. And then in all fairness, maybe shipping aeroids is not their thing. But here is the ending to the story. Tis a happy ending indeed. This is the plant of my dream. I expected every single leaf to be like this or smaller. Again, ECUAGENERA. This is why I keep coming back to this website and Plantarino. And I'm also really curious if you have any other favorite websites that you order plants from, especially in the US, because these two so far, they're just consistently good as far as getting what you pay for. I will definitely give an update as to how they're doing. I was ready to rip on it for its like small leaf energy, but like I don't know that I can say it is anymore. I don't know that I can say that it is like actually small leaf energy, especially for such an alleged slow grower. This really made my night really cool. And then my skeleton wine. I mean, this is like the little piece of heaven is what it is. Well, thank you for joining me on this Halloween wine unboxing. These plants are clearly packed and selected with love and care. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you now feel satisfied that you didn't just have to watch me unbox a horrifying plant. This one thumbs up. Florida Hill, big thumbs down. I don't know what happened, guys. Ew, what that small plant. But then $12.99 for like a small rare plant. I don't know. I would rather pay a little bit more money and just have it functional. Thanks so much for watching. Check out some more unboxing videos if you are interested in raising these gorge aeroids with me and learning from my mistake. Wishing you all the biggest leaf energy. Cheers.